It's dependable, it's low maintenance, and it's affordable. It's the Sure Products Cross Collection System, a new and innovative high-capacity conveyor designed to meet the demands of today's egg producers. As farms continuously increase both production and processing capability in order to meet changing market conditions, the cost of moving more and more eggs quickly and safely over ever-increasing distances has become a primary concern. Since it was first introduced at Roseacre Farms in Iowa several years ago, the Sure Cross Collection System has become recognized throughout the industry as the ideal solution. In fact, it's designed to carry more eggs trouble-free to a processing machine quicker and cheaper than any other system in the world. That's our promise. The Sure Cross Conveyor solves many problems that have plagued the egg-producing industry for years. In the beginning, there were cloth belts, and all major producers used them. Eventually, these cloth belts gave way to food-grade belts. But there were two serious disadvantages: length and maintenance. Next came rod conveyors. Eggs traveled to the processor on steel rods. This solved the problem of length, and it allowed conveyors to change elevation and to go around corners, which made it easier to build large egg-producing complexes. But there were three major problems. Rod conveyors required high maintenance, they were expensive, and unforeseen to the producer, there was a higher rate of breakage. Sure knew there had to be a better way. The challenge? To convey large quantities of eggs over long distances with no checks and low maintenance. Starting with the idea of a belt on rollers, a system that has been used in the mining industry for years, Sure Products applied this concept to the poultry industry. The result? The Sure Cross Collection System, a conveyor that consists of one continuous belt with heavy-duty rollers and shafts, and one stainless steel drive unit. It is affordable, virtually trouble-free, and reduces checks. The great distances, up to 2,000 feet, and speed up to 36 feet per minute, are made possible by the unique design. The roller bed, available in various widths according to customer specifications, consists of PVC rollers with self-lubricating bearings on plated shafts. This is a virtual no-maintenance platform. The stainless steel construction of the drive unit is the other essential element. Available in sprocket and chain, or our new for 96 shaft-driven model, both come in multiple horsepowers depending on length. Customers can also add a microprocessor, which varies the speed and soft start of the conveyor. The eggs are safely cradled in a 3-degree trough in the center of the belt. Capacity? Because there is no wasted space, the conveyor can actually handle 30% more eggs on a 30-inch belt than a 36-inch wide rod conveyor. And a 36-inch wide Sure Cross conveyor can carry up to 400 cases per hour to the processor, more than any system on the market today. The heavy-duty USDA-approved food handling belt rides flat in the trough without curling. The top surface is a super oil-resistant compound. A regular flow of eggs and one simple squeegee are all that is needed to keep this belt clean. In the past, conventional wisdom dictated that a cross belt had to be level to work properly. As you've probably guessed by now, that's not the case with the Sure Cross Collection System. By cradling the eggs, a Sure system can make elevation changes from one house to another without any problems. But don't take our word for it. Robert Hamilton of Hamilton Farms in Iowa Falls writes, "A year ago, Sure Products sold me a new cross conveyor system. We replaced a rod conveyor system because there was too much downtime and maintenance. We put in the Sure Belt system and have been very happy." As a matter of fact, in the last year, we have had no downtime and spent less than 1 hour on maintenance. We also have Sure's Cross Collection System, writes Joe LaFoon of Sunbest Papetti Farms in Iowa, and it is proven to be far superior to anything else available today.
We've been using Sure systems for 5 years. We had a rod conveyor in one of our complexes, and we took the rod conveyor out because we couldn't keep it going daily. And we bought the belt from Sure Products, and they installed it, immediately. In 24 hours, they had it in and gathering eggs. This belt runs up and down as much as 4 feet from one house to the other, and that is not a problem. We have less than 1% checks on this belt where we're going up from one house is high and one house is low.
Sure belt systems are now in place for over 25 million birds in the United States, and that number is growing daily, with plans to introduce the system internationally in 1997. With over 50 years combined experience in conveyor systems, we also offer the best installation services in the industry. We're fussy about installing our conveyors. We use a self-leveling laser to make sure all lines are straight and level. So not to interfere with ongoing operations, we can do all our installation work at night. When you buy from Sure Products, you get professional service guaranteed before and after the sale. Service to our customers doesn't end with cross conveyors. We also offer a variety of customized equipment for the rest of the operation as well, such as custom egg collectors, manure conveyors, and baffles. That's the Sure story, offering the most advanced products with the least amount of maintenance. Get acquainted with the Sure Cross Collection System, providing more eggs to your processing machine quicker, cheaper, and safer than anyone else in the world.